Then dha. So I'll show you the whole 16 beats once, okay? Dha, then, dha, then, ninth beat. Dha, then, ta, then, dha. You got it? So claps are on first beat, fifth beat, and 13th beat. Okay. Khali is on ninth beat. So tali or khali. Huh? Now let's all practice once again. Okay. Hold your hands. 1, 2, 3, start. Ha. Then, dha. Clap. Ha. Then, khali. Dha. Then, ta. Clap. Ta. Then, dha. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Khali. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you should practice this in faster speeds as well. Dha, din, dha, din, dha, din, ta, din, dha. Even if you don't get the bowls right, what I am saying is bowl, the theka. Even if you don't get, just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Da din din da da din din da da din din da da din din da din din da da din din da din din da 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 da din din da. Now I'll just say the bowls. Now you have to do. Ready? Look forward. Ready? Starting from first beat. 1, 2, 3, start. Ah. Hey. Hey. E. Start. Very good. Left leg. Hey. Hey. E. Start. Very good. Second beat. Ha. Hey. Hey. Start. Ah. Hey. Hey. Start. Ah. Hey. Hey. Start. Left. Right. Left. Right. Third speed. Up. Hey. Start. Up. Hey. Hey. Start. Right. Left. Right. Left. Left. Right. Left. Right. Up. Hey. Hey. Start. Ah. Hey. Hey. Start. Up. Hey. Hey. Start. Ah. Hey. Hey. Start. Very good. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5. Understood? You did this 3 times. Now what you have to do? You have to do only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3 times. Only turning. Yes? Shall we try only turning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3 times? Ready? 1, 2, 3 start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Return. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5 you have to come front. Okay. Now you are all doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holding your hands here. Now I will teach you how to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with hands. Okay, whenever you are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your right hand comes forward, left hand goes back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do second speed now. Let's see. Hold your hands here. 1, 2, 3, start, start, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to turn for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? Once more. 1, 2, 3, start, start, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.